So today let's talk a little bit about refrigerants. All standard heating and air systems in today's market use some type of refrigerant to remove humidity from your home and cool your house. The most two common types that we have in today's time is R410A, which is a new refrigerant, which is very environmental friendly, and we have R22, which is the old standard refrigerant, which is not good for our environment. We've been working now for quite a few years to get that refrigerant phased out and to get everything moved over to the new 410A refrigerant. 410A is a much less expensive refrigerant also. Average contractor in this town probably charges somewhere between maybe $40 to $65 for a pound of R410A. And probably somewhere between $200 to $290 for a pound of R22. If you have an R22 unit at this point in time, where we are today, that unit is at least 10 years old already if it's an R22 unit. So you might want to look at, if you have a repair that needs to be done on an R22 unit, do you really want to make that repair? And you have to think to yourself, if I do make that repair, how much longer is my unit going to last? So an average repair to an R22 unit starts at $800 and goes up with most of your fellow contractors here in town. So putting that much money in a unit, and if it's not going to last you 3 or 4 more years, then you may want to ask yourself, do you want to waste that much money to get one more summer? Well, here at AAA Heat and Air, we have tried to alleviate that a little bit by coming up with some true transparency costing. We pass that on to you. We'll do any repair for $199 plus the cost of the parts. To give you an example, R410A refrigerant from us is only $10 a pound, and R22 refrigerant is only $65 a pound. And you would pay us a $199 professional service fee to come out to your home, check your units out, evaluate them, give you a complete diagnostic on them, let you know whether you should be fixing this unit or looking at now repairing and replacing this unit. And those things can be done for well under $300, where other contractors may be over $800.